President Gabriel Boric has said that Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi is the only global leader who talks to every country's head with ease, hinting India can create global harmony and pave the way for inclusive growth and development. The Chilean president said during his state visit to India on 1st April that PM Modi can play a pivotal role in global diplomacy. Marking 76 years of bilateral diplomatic relations between India and Chile, President Boric emphasized Chile's commitment to strengthen ties with India. The Chilean president said, quote, "Mr. Modi, you have the status nowadays that you can talk to every leader of the world. You're supporting Trump, Zelensky, the European Union, and the Latin American leaders in Greece or Iran. That is something that no other leader can say now. So you're a key player in the geopolitical atmosphere nowadays." End quote. The Chilean leader said he was in India for the first time for a state visit, and it marked the first state visit in 16 years. President Boric was honored at a banquet hosted by President Draupadi Murmu at Rashtrapati Bhavan. He said, quote, "Chile is a country that is connected to the world. We do not depend on one special country, but we have relationships with China, with the United States, with the European Union, with the countries from our region, Latin America, with the countries from Asia Pacific, Japan, Indonesia, Australia, and now we want to work more deep in our relationships with India, and we have given some important steps today." End quote. He talked about important agreements and moves ranging from cultural exchange to Antarctic exploration.